Agile Methodology Session 7. What is Scrum? Scrum is a framework that helps Agile teams to work together. Using it, the team members can deliver and sustain the complex product. It encourages the team to learn through practice, self-organize while working on the problem. Scrum is a work done through the framework and continuously shipping values to customers. It is the most frequent software that is used by the development team. Its principle and lessons can be applied to all kinds of teamwork. Its policy and experiences is a reason of popularity of Scrum framework. The Scrum describes a set of tools, meetings, and roles that help the team structure. It also manages the work done by the team. The framework. Scrum and Agile are not the same thing because Scrum focused on continuous improvement, which is a core foundation of Agile. Scrum framework focuses on ongoing getting work done. What are sprints? With Scrum, a product is built in a series of repetition called sprints. It breaks down big complex projects into bite-sized pieces. It makes projects more manageable, allows teams to ship high quality, work faster, and more frequently. The sprints give them more flexibility to adapt to the changes. Sprints are a short, time-boxed period for Scrum team that works to complete a set amount of work. Sprints are the core component of Scrum and Agile methodology. The right sprints will help our Agile team to ship better software. What is Sprint Plan? Sprint Plan is an action in Scrum that kicks off the sprint. The primary purpose of Sprint Plan is to define what can deliver in the sprint. It also focuses on how the work will be achieved. It is done in combination with the whole Scrum team members. The sprint is a set of the period where all the work to be done. Before we start the development, we have to set up the sprint. We need to describe how long time is required to achieve the sprint goal and where we are going to start. Factors affecting sprint planning. The what, the product owner describes the goal of the sprint and the backlog items which contribute to achieve that goal. The how, Agile development team plans its necessary work on how to achieve and deliver the sprint goal. The who, the product owner defines the goal based on the value that the customers seek. And the developer needs to understand how they can or cannot deliver that goal. The inputs, the product backlog provides the list of input stuff that could potentially be part of the current sprint. The team looks over the existing work done in incremental ways. The outputs, the critical outcome of sprint planning is to meet described team goal. The product set the goal of sprint and how they will start working towards the goal. What is the product backlog? A product backlog is a registered list of work for the development team. It is driven from the roadmap and its requirements. The essential task is represented at the top of the product backlog so that the team member knows what to deliver first. The developer team doesn't work through the backlog from the product owner's side and product owner doesn't push the work to the developer team. The developer team pulls work from the product backlog. Backlog starts with the 2Rs. The fundamental product backlog is provided by a team's roadmap and requirements. Roadmap repetition breaks down into several epochs, and each epoch will have several requirements and user stories. The product owner organizes each of the customer stories into a single list. This story is organized for the development team. The product owner chooses to deliver first complete epoch. The factors that influence a product owner's prioritization. 1. Priority of customer. 2. Importance of getting feedback. 3. Relative implementation difficulty. 4. Symbiotic relationships between work items.